Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to write a blog post, a simple step-by-step guide. So here, start with a clear purpose and audience. Before typing a single word, define your blog post core purpose and target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what specific value do you want them to gain? Example, this helps busy parents find quick, healthy dinner ideas to simplify their evenings. A clear focus ensuring your content is relevant, engaging, and resonate directly with your readers. Craft an attention grabbing title and outline. Compelling title. Your title is the gateway to your content. Make it clear and descriptive and entice clicks and set readers' expectation. Use tools like code schedules, headline analyzer to brainstorm and refine your options. Just a quick tip for you guys. And then after that, structure outline. Organize your thoughts into a logical flow. An outline acts as a roadmap, ensuring coherent argument and smooth reading experience. Write engaging, scannable content. So, readability first. Break up text with short paragraphs, subheadings, and bulleted or numbered lists. This enhance scannability and prevent readers' fatigue. Hook your readers, inject personality, include personal, surprising statistics, or counterintuitive insight to keep your audience captivated. Visual appeal, integrate high quality, relevant image and videos. Always include descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO benefits. Edit, optimize, and promote your posts. Refine and verify. Proofread meticulously for grammar and spelling errors, and then fact check all information to maintain credibility and trust with your audience. SEO boost. Optimize your posts with relevant keywords, compelling meta description, and internal/external links to improve search engine visibility and amplify your reach. Promote your blog post actively across all social media channels. Encourage comments, shares, and discussion to foster engagement. And a quick tip for your guests: remember, 80% of your effort should go into promoting your content. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys do. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.